Hi guys, I am finally back with my journal. This kit is from Nevermore Creations 17, and Lizzie makes the designs. And I'll put a link down below to her Etsy shop where you can order the kits. And she also has a Facebook group if you're interested. I'll have a link down below as well. So this kit is called Postage Due. And this is what I made with it. So I do have sari silk tie here. And it's just put through the strings in the back here. This front cover, well the whole cover, is fabric. And this is vintage fabric, which I just thought was really pretty. And I was looking for something to put on front, and it took me forever, and I was looking for something like this, and I finally went through all my stuff and found these. So I just loved that and thought it looked great. So this is kind of pretty simple journal. So there's lots of space for writing, and there's some pieces of ephemera that I have in the envelopes inside, which you'll see. But I kept it pretty simple. So here's the first page, and I do have a lot of lace on it. And you can see like the postage stamps printed on here. Here's a pocket here, half pocket. We got a map. I thought, you know, postage and letters and mailing letters, and they got to travel through around town, so I put a map in there. This page here is, I think that one's, it's either beet juice or avocado. I don't remember now. And we got a really old dictionary page. And that's a page from the kit. I do have lace on there and a little bobble pin with a button on there. Here we go. Go blank when I hear. There's a coffee dyed paper. Here's a bag. And I sewed and stitched and reinforced it, and it's a pocket. That's the kit. There's a little collage. Ooh, I remember that one. There's some dyed paper, book page, another of the kit, and some really cute lace. Another coffee dye. This is some of the ephemera, and I just cut it with some of these old-time scissors, like these, to give it a look like a stamp. And I did ink around the edges and just glued them down. As you can see, there's tons of space to write. And I just tied the string in the center. There's a paper ribbon, coffee dyed paper. There's a little envelope. I don't think there's anything in it. I did do some random stamping, because I don't really like just the white pages. Some people might, but when I'm making them, I just don't like them all blank. There's some more lace. There's the book page, dyed paper, and here's one of the envelopes in the kit, and I just left all the pieces of ephemera inside, and these are like little postcards. They're just paper ones. We'll get that back in there later. There's the other bag, half the bag. It's stitched and reinforced because they're kind of thin, and I want to make sure they hold up. There's some coffee dyed notebook paper. There's a stamped page and some lace. Dictionary page, the other half of that. The other half of the map. There's a pocket with one of the little ephemera postcards. Can't flip it. More lace on the another pocket. This one's a little heavier. I did stitch around it. There's some coffee dyed paper. I thought that came out cool. There's just a little flip. There's guest check, paper ribbon, and that's the, I think that's the avocado dyed paper, and that's that made into a ribbon. The doily, dyed paper, That's the kit page with more lace. This was an envelope, and that was in a magazine, and I just thought it was cute. And then turned that into a pocket. There's another one of those little envelopes, and that one was avocado dyed. The other half of the bag. Here's that one of those cool pages with the old time pens. Another bobble pen with a button and lace. And this is another envelope with bits of ephemera, coffee dyed paper, and I thought that looked neat. That might be, I don't remember. I did it so long ago. I've been dealing with health issues, so I just totally forget. There's another piece of the ephemera. And this is heavy and reinforced, so it's, I wanted it to be sturdy. And I did stitch around it. There's the center page. Super cute. It says, "Write Your Life." And there's some more of the little stamps that I did. That paper, avocado, or I wish I could remember. I just thought it came out neat though, the design when I dyed it. And that coffee dyed paper. Another pocket here. Some more lace. Another half the bag pocket with lace. Another page stamped. This is another pocket from an envelope. And I put some lace there and that cute paper. Another page here. So there's lots of lace, lots of dyed papers. And plenty of room for you to add pockets, your own ephemera to write, whatever good stuff you like to do with your journals. So I will have the links down below. This will be in my Etsy shop if you're interested in it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And I have lots of links down below. You might want to check those out as well. So again, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you again soon. Bye.